Lot number 706 is a 2009 Ford F-150 XL crew cab. This one has a 4.6 liter V8 with 119,000 miles. It does nothing. The shop notes say that this truck was pulled out of service about a year ago for having a bad transmission. Transmission does not engage. So while it was out of service, maybe some parts were swapped out in the shop. Mechanics sometimes do that, and now it does nothing. So it may have electrical issues. It's got a good battery in it, and I hit the key here and no power reaching the starter. So it's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. I'll hit the key, I'll show you what it's doing, and I'll show you the miles. 119,000 miles, and when you hit the key, nothing happens at all. I can hear the fuse box down there ticking, but no power is reaching the starter. Now, I'll give you a walk around and I'll show you what I see. Good looking truck. 4.6 liter V8, bad transmission, mechanical conditions are unknown. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. The passenger side has damage to both doors. It's got a long scrape here. Starts right here on the passenger, goes through the back door. Even got the body a little bit right there. Again, it looks good from far. You can't really tell. And it's a nice truck. The paint still looks good. It's got a nice Sentry camper top, all fiberglass with windows. It's got the back door, opens up nice, appears to be in nice shape. The bed looks good, no damage, just normal wear and tear. Tailgate opens and closes as it should. It's got a full-size tow hitch. Rear bumper looks good. The bed has a dent right here underneath the tail light, and it's got a couple of drilled out holes from emergency lights that were removed underneath the tail lights. It's got an old plug here that's, I think it used to have an inverter under the seat, but the inverter is now gone. So, but it does have the plug back there, and it's got this little box here. Let me show you the driver's side and then I'll show you the interior. Headlights are a little dull. It's got a golf ball sized dent on the hood. It's got nice tinted windows, and the driver's side looks nice and straight. Very minor surface rust on the roof. I did notice it does have two antennas on the roof, and very minor surface rust. It's a solid truck. Driver's side is nice. I did notice that the rear view mirror on the passenger side is missing a cover right there. Nice and straight, all matching steel wheels. Tires look good. Interior is really nice. It's a nice color and it's well cared for. All the rear seats look good. The carpet looks nice. It's a nice color. The headliner looks good, but it does have stains all around the edge. So maybe a little water is getting in. Not sure if you can see it during the video, but it has water stains all along the edge. Door panels look good. Here's the driver's side. The driver's seat is torn right there in the corner. The rest of the driver's seat looks good. It's got a metal center console. Passenger seat looks good. All the door panels are in good shape. The dashboard is not cracked. The steering wheel shows wear. The carpet looks good even up here. It's got a protective plastic coat there, and carpet appears to be in good shape. Good looking truck. It will clean up nicely. Remember, it's got a bad transmission. It says it right on the shop notes. Transmission did not engage. Here's the passenger side rear. All looks good. and passenger door. All right, so there you have it. 2009 F-150. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's being sold as is. We already know the shop notes say it has a bad transmission, but now it doesn't even start. So may have electrical issues. Either way, this one must be towed out of here. No mechanical work will be permitted on site. It's lot number 706. Good luck.